director column to the table, so we have to execute special command. We go to our working directory.
Yeah.
And if you see in directory db migrate, we could only see only one file, create movies RB, and in directory db seed.
Yeah.
We see that, we see that we now in a database we haven't column, but we run the command rails g migration add directory to movie director string. This command create an extra file.
Yeah. To the migrate folder. No?
Yes, we have which we see that one more file was added, and the format of this command is special, so we add to movie new field.
Yeah.
Next step.
We have to add the column. No?
Next step is command rake db test prepare. And rake db migrate. And now we should see db scheme rb file, and we should see that director field was added.
Yeah.
Schema rb.
Do you add the movies in the string column? No. Forget.
So we generated an extra script to add the column and executed this.
Good. So now it's part one done. No.
We could check it. 1 second. We could execute Rails console test. It's the Rails console, so we could show what fields, what columns database has, and we see that it has new column. So we could say that first part was completed.
Yeah. Okay, so now we can start the second part. When
second part is cucumber scenario.
Just to execute cucumber.
First, we should create a new file. I will create it file. Main dot features.
Yeah, the movie steps that RV.
I will paste the cucumber scenario from
Yeah.
instructions. And now should we create one more file? So let's try to run it. Yes?
Okay.
Cucumber features main, or just features.
Yeah, with features, even just cucumber it will work.
It didn't find any scenarios. Feature.
I think you have to write dot RV. No.
Oh, I should rename file, not features, but feature. Main dot feature. I
Yeah,
was renamed.
yeah, that feature. Yeah.
So we could try it again. And
Okay.
yes, all scenarios. I couldn't scroll the console.
Yeah, me neither. I think you should resize. So now that it says only that you can implement step definitions for undefined steps.
Yes, we should create a file for our scenario is, for example, movie steps.rb.
Yeah.
I will create this file, movie steps.rb.
Mm-hmm.
And now and now I will implement first scenario given the following movies exist.
Yeah. You can copy past
Yes, I could. Yes, from last homework.
Okay.
Then
Well, you can actually, Andre, you can
Yes.
copy from the how do you say this? Can you see my pointer here from the in the terminal? When you execute the cucumber, it pop out a notification in yellow,
Yes.
and it says you can implement step definitions for undefined steps with these snippets. So it's already given the
Ah, yeah.
okay, so you can just copy that. It's almost the same, but not exactly. The
Yes. It will be easier.
yeah,
So, thank you. It's good advice.
yeah. Okay, perfect.
And the director should be uh, and the second scenario is find by title that director should equals.
Okay,
I think that's enough. Let's repeat cucumber.
yeah, okay. Um, given the file, still doesn't. Can you run the test again? Because I don't understand this.
So what's the result of this test?
Yes, I don't understand the.
I I ran it again.
Okay, so that I can find choose. No. Don't know why. So that I can find it. Yeah.
Oh, not very helpful.
Don't know why does this appear like this. Like where are the cucumber explaining all the.
I will create new console,
Okay,
new terminal.
okay. Where is it? I cannot.
Oh, I have created it, but maybe because of we have shared this
Ah, I cannot see
workspace.
it. Yeah.
Yes, maybe you could also close it.
I close both. Okay. And I open one.
Yes, and open new terminal.
Yeah. Um,
But
can
it's not the same in terminal.
no, it's not the same.
Yeah,
So what should we do here? I don't see.
mm, mm. Maybe you could refresh your page on the browser.
Okay.
And I also will do that.
Can see. Do you have a terminal open?
Yes, I opened my terminal.
So I cannot see it.
New. Uh, I could simply delete you from my workspace and add.
What?
I reinvite you.
Okay.
It's not the same console. I don't know why. Uh,
Do you? Are
could
you?
we could we use your uh, screen to run console commands? Could you try run Cucumber features?
Okay. I'm sorry.
You should write cd rotten potatoes, cd r and tab. Yeah.
Okay. But the movies still doesn't exist.
Mm.
Uh,
What's the problem? Could you explain?
yeah. But okay. I going to rerun this so I can. It's doing weird stuff. I don't know why. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe
Given the following.
should I should I drive? Do you want me to drive or
Yes, could you drive, please?
okay? Don't know. Let me try just this, for example. Mm,
We could easily debug it, I believe. Just type by bug.
it's just listen. We can. I'm going to debug
Yeah.
using the debugger for a moment just to see what thing.
Yes, you start Cucumber again.
Yeah, and I just I'm going to use the debugger by boot, and
And
so we can see what.
yes, wait a second. And now you could see what table is. Just type
Yeah.
table.
Okay. Now I see what's happening.
Yes.
We should um, iterate over this
Yeah.
table thing. So, but
Yeah. It's table, not a record.
wait a moment. This this will Cucumber will understand this because I just searched this in Cucumber. How could you read a table like this? No, and I found this method hashes.
Yes, hashes, and the next method is each. Just iterate over hashes.
Okay, yeah, I think maybe now this. It should this should work. Going
No, we should change table to movie.
yeah.
There, yeah. Have you saved the file?
Yeah, maybe this is going to raise an exception. Now we've done it. Now we can start with the first scenario, add the director to existing movie. So it's the first error is when I go to edit page. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So when I go to edit page for Alien, can't find mapping. Okay. So we can go here to the path RMB. And I'm going just to add a path here in path RB.
Mm-hmm.
So we could do the routing.
What path should we add?
Sorry?
Uh, oh, what path should we add to this file?
Yeah, the edit page for some.
Yes, to the edit page. The
Yeah.
edit page for, yeah, I
Yeah. I'm
understand.
going to add this route, the edit page for the regex. Just type in this really fast. Like this, and it should say
Did you know about command rake roads to see all the passes?
no.
Just type in console rake roads. Yes, if you know the
Okay,
name of
here.
path, it's enough.
Right.
The
Okay.
first column is name of helper.
Yeah.
Edit movie path, yes.
Edit movie path, and yeah. So we are finding by title and the first match.
Yes.
Okay. No, this no. Break routes, no.
Yes.
No. Cucumber. Let's see. Okay. Now the next one, and I fill in director with Ridley Scott. Unable to find director, capybara.
It means that in edit view, it hasn't an extra field, I believe.
The button, right? The
We should open edit HTML
yeah,
XAML
and
and
add
add.
the director label, no?
Yes.
Okay. The new movie, but this is the director. No. Okay.
And according to instructions, we have to go to movie controller and add this field to controller.
Okay.
Have you saved the file?
Yeah.
Okay.
To the controller or the model. Ah, no.
Controllers,
Controller.
movie
Yeah.
controller, yeah. First line, yes. First function.
Okay. So it's running again. No. I think I made a mistake here.
Ah, yes, not date select.
It's
Just
a string. Whatever. No. Text field.
text field, yes.
Should should I enable the should syntax?
No, I think this deprecation, it doesn't matter what it is
Okay,
about.
just a
We should
warning.
we should see first red line, given I'm on the details page for Star Wars.
Okay, so you want me to continue?
Oh, could I continue?
Okay, we change here in. Okay, now.
Thank you. We go to path RB and uh,
Yeah,
features support path RB. Yes, and add one more.
you should add, yeah, like edit movie path, but
I will paste new condition when the edit page 4. Then
you should for the cucumber step definition have to say. Well, okay, I leave you.
so we edit the edit page 4 and find by title again movie and go to, oh, excuse me, it's not,
The detail page.
yeah, detail page. It's the same but with different condition.
Yeah.
Okay, uh, could you run cucumber again?
Okay. Okay. Now it.
The next is follow to the link, find movies with same director.
Yeah.
So we go to detail page. It's show HTML, and we should add new link.
Yeah.
New link is about find movies with same director, and we could use a method search director, for example.
Okay.
Uh,
Well, yeah, yeah.
so it will be new controller method in
And also a new route.
uh, so let me explain. If we had new controller, uh, mm, uh, according to tasks in our homework, we have to add to uh, file to
Sure.
file.
Yeah. According to the second part, you should have add a route,
Yes,
so you could use the that route to um, to create the link to
yes. I open the file
route.
config routes rb,
Yeah.
yes, and I will add this in this file new route to our
Yeah.
controller. Oh, I type match movies search director and ID of the movie
Yeah.
with same.
But movies slash, not dot.
Yes, yes. Excuse me. Yes. Search director ID. It this road should go to controller movies and executes method search director.
Okay.
It will use uh, get method
Yeah.
and helper method will be the same search director.
Okay. You're missing a C, I think, in match.
Yes, much.
Okay.
And
Should I run? Oh, no.
next and the next step is we return to movie controller and add and an empty uh, method def
Yeah.
search director. Won't return anything now, and according to our instruction, we should add new view, as I understand.
Yeah. The new view.
It will
Or
be the same.
yeah, name the same search director action as the action.
Uh, do you think we could paste from show HTML from index HTML to search director HTML? All,
Yeah.
all.
Well, you can even do it more easily. Well, yeah, that will work too.
I believe now it will be enough for us, for
Okay.
our purposes. It's not production application.
Should I run Cucumber now?
Yes, I think yes.
Okay. No.
When I follow find movies,
Can you see the error?
uh, let me a minute to understand.
It's just the maybe with all search direct.
I understand you. Yes, we have to add to our controller uh, simple condition. Add to it. mm, for example, movies, movie all, because
Even with search director being empty, I think the test will pass. You know,
but
we cannot,
uh,
we couldn't. I mean, we can just leave it empty, and I
I
think
think no, because Cucumber tried to show the view search director, and this view tried to show movies, and movies is empty
yeah,
variable.
yeah, I will.
That's why we should add this just to pass the test, I think.
Okay, yeah. So,
Could
should I
you
pass
run it again?
the cucumber again? Okay. Still, it's still a problem with the view because Andre, I think it could be empty the whole search director HTML because it doesn't matter in this step which movie does it return. It's just that the capybara find the bottom, so it's not
Do you say
necessary.
about HTML page?
Yeah,
Yes.
the HTML.
Oh, okay.
This could be all empty, like blank. Oh, the
Yes,
whole.
I will delete all content from it.
Yeah.
Yes, maybe now.
So you can also erase whatever search director in the controller.
Yes, I will delete it.
Yeah. So let me try like this, and so we can do it step by step. Okay. Now the follow it already worked. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then I should be on
I
the home page.
should be on the home page.
Okay.
Yes, I
Now
will implement it in our roads, in our path RB. I think our homepage is movies. Yes?
Yeah. That is okay. I think now we could start to create an spec.
Spec.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we could start writing in the search director method.
Yes. Uh,
Do you wish to
yeah.
control or should I drive or
Uh,
do you want still? Okay, you can continue. I think it's not 15 minutes yet.
yes. Thank you. Okay, I will create.
You're creating an spec? No? No, not yet.
Yes, I will create new spec, new folder in spec. It's not what I wanted to do.
Ah, no. Wait a minute. We made a mistake, Andre.
Oh, what a mistake.
Yeah, I made a mistake. I was looking the third scenario and it's the second one. I'm so sorry.
When I follow find
With
movies.
find movie with same director. No?
Ah,
So the next step that fails,
mhm.
then I should be on similar movies. So
On the similar movie page.
it
Yes,
cannot
I will
map.
implement.
So you have to map the similar movies.
Yes, that's easy.
Yeah.
I will map the similar movie page for movie is our path, new path, search director
Yeah.
with movie ID which we try to find. Yes, could you please rerun our test?
Okay. Okay. It worked.
Could
So
we go to our spec?
yeah, we now and it should see THX. No, that movie. So we have to
Yeah.
go strictly to RSpec to create the
Yes.
test.
That's why I created spec controllers
Yeah.
folder, and now I will create uh, movies controller spec.rb,
Okay.
and now it's time. So I will. Now it's time to think what methods uh, we will test.
Yeah.
Mm.
We could start with just to pass the cucumber scenarios. We could just start testing same search director. You know.
Uh, as I remember, first scenario was now I will open. Uh, First scenario was add director to existing movie. So we added add director to database. and maybe we have to check when we saved, when we edited a movie with director field. We should check whether this field was updated to database. So could I add? Uh, I think we could just now add main scenarios that we will try to implement a bit later.
I'm sorry, I don't get it.
Uh,
Where are you? And which folder and in which file? I mean,
yes, this file which you opened. Uh,
movie controller.
yes, no.
The spec.
Movie controller spec. Yes,
Okay.
uh, I think we could now list all scenarios that we will implement, but now I think it's better not implement because there are a lot of scenarios, and one by one we will implement it.
Okay. So what
So
do
I
we
believe
need to do?
we have to implement scenario add director to database, for example, and in this scenario we should check um, edit action.
But Andre, we could leave the testing for edit action and update and create and
Mm.
destroy for later.
Mm. What scenarios do you think we should start to test? Could you drive?
We
I
could
think it's
start
your
to
time.
test the search director, just
Or
to write it, just to fill it and fill it with the code, and also to just get the cucumber scenarios green.
okay, okay. So search director, will you drive, please?
Okay. Okay, so now the scenario find movie with same director is telling us that we should see when we click a Star Wars movie and we are in the show HTML from the Star Wars movie, we should find this and we follow the find movies with same director follow that link. Then we should be on the similar movie page for Star Wars, no?
Yes.
Then I should be on similar page from Star Wars.
And
And Star
now,
Wars has director George Lucas and this other movie. So we have to implement that. Now we have to uh, write here in search director. Um, we should find the movie with the ID that the route came from. No, you understand? I'm sorry if I don't get myself.
yes, I understand. Yes,
Okay, I'm going to. Okay,
but
we should do that there. We should describe uh, search director.
yeah,
Okay, and we could add here an it. It should um, find movies with same director.
Yes.
Okay, so with that in mind, um, um, so we could just test that a fake movie will enter, no?
Yes, we should understand. We should create a fake
Fake,
record.
fake movie, maybe
Yes.
fake movie, no?
Yes. I
And I'm
used
going,
double.
yeah, me
Yes.
too. It's better for name fake movie. Okay, so we should expect that movie, the class movie, the module, search for this movie,
Yes.
work movie uh, to receive fine with well, fine movie with well, we could create I
Yes,
was
an empty function. Yes.
I was just thinking if we on this listen same director, and we should create here in the movie module, the glass movie, the same director. Okay, it's a
Yes.
module, it's a class method, so I'm going to put this same director.
Yes.
And it should receive the ID. And I think how we get maybe movie dot find ID dot director. I guess this will work, but I don't remember. So well, we could even leave this blank for a moment just to pass the test in the
Yes. We could.
controller. So I expect movie to receive same director with some ID, whatever the fake ID, and return fake movie. Okay. With this, it's not going to pass, but so now we are going to write in the controller. I didn't save. No, save. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, one failure. So it doesn't implement anything because we don't have anything written here. So
Did you start Cucumber or RSpec
RSpec.
file? RSpec, yes.
So I'm going to just, now that my test failed, I'm going to write in the controller so my test will pass, okay? I'm going to assign this instance variable movie so later in the view they could use it.
Okay.
Movie dot same director Just a moment. Um, Let me think. With how could we do this? Yeah, movie. Yeah, parents idea.
Yeah.
I'm going to just assign this to same director, so we can. Okay.
Yeah, it's original movie.
Okay. Let's see if this aspect. It would still fail because same director. It has nothing here. So I'm going to write here in the movie module. Find ID. Mm, well, I just. Uh,
Do you try to find by director? Yes.
yeah. Will this work? Let me try. I just. It will return the director, right? So
We could just type movie that where director.
yes, movie with that's on director. I'm sorry. I'm going to do it like this. A movie that all each. I think it's.
Could I help you? It will be
Okay.
better.
Well, if you want, you can do it. But I remember the where the where. Yeah.
Okay. Please continue.
Yeah. I just don't remember how to use it, but I figure out. I think it's we could refactor later, but
Yes.
just to check if where how you where director. Mm, yeah, it's just a moment, please. I'm going to declare a new variable here. I think maybe this will work.
Excuse me. It could work in our homework, but I think in real project we should use SQL commands like where.
Really? Okay. Can we just, I'm going just to pass the test, and then if you wish to refactor, you can drive.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
let me just check if this, I got it right.
Yes, according to agile development, first step is to implement implement something to pass the test. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not to resist. Don't know, it doesn't pass.
Uh,
Let me see. In the, I know, maybe this, I mean, I'm going to just let me think here a moment. I know why. Um, because I'm going to fake movies. Like, mm, well, let me check if this.
okay. Oh, your bracket is not the right place.
I'm sorry.
And do you think that you should check and return fake movies without how to say?
Um, but I'm implementing. I don't know why this happened.
Mm.
Indirect.
Uh, let's see. You expect to receive something, but we hadn't executed a controller. We should uh, we should call get to do something.
I
We
should call
should
what?
Yes, we should create HTTP call.
Ah, okay. Get same director. No, no.
Yeah,
Or search.
search directory. Yes, with ID.
Yeah. The same ID one.
Yeah.
And expect expect something or just this?
We already expect something.
Okay.
We expect that our controller will execute.
What is this? Noise?
Yeah.
And what is this? Unexpected.
Trabajo support para el net. Pamela, venga, support.
Okay, now it worked. Thank you. So
Oh, it works. Yes.
it finds the movie with same director now already.
Yeah. Great.
Do you wish to refactor or?
Yes. Could I refactor? Could I
So
drive now?
change now to driving, just to I just now for remembering and writing the index. Okay, now you change. So show
Okay.
me how you do this with the SQL. I don't know how to do it.
Yes, I will use. I will use where director is director of our movie which we passed it.
Okay. Should I try?
It mismatch indentation. Okay. Could you try?
Okay. I got it right. Okay. So it's better this way, of course.
So we
So
go to
it already returns an array.
it returns I believe it cursor. It's lazy array, I think.
Can we check? I'm going to check with bybug. Or
Okay.
no, it doesn't matter. I could check here in another terminal. Just Rails C,
Uh,
cd just going to start a Rails terminal.
yes, Rails console and
Yeah, console. I mean, just to learn this, I should just put a number here. 2.
okay, and one parenthesis
Yeah.
close.
Don't know what happened. Movie that where
¿Qué le damos al pobre para una arma, tío? Vale. Con las ramas, ¿no?
Don't
Could
know.
you execute simple command 1 + 1, for example? Is it works now?
No,
No.
something strange happened. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, do you see
Because we don't have any movies. Okay, so I don't
it
know.
execute SQL
No.
statement?
Well, I can check this later, but I
Okay.
believe you that this command will return an array.
Yes, an array, but it's similar to our movie all, for example. It's array, but it will populate later during each statement.
Yeah, I know.
¿Qué pasa?
Well,
Madre mía. No escribe, ¿eh? Me
I'll try to find this out later, and we
Yeah.
can continue because the test
Yes.
already passed. So I could check that later. Okay.
Okay, we will continue on our search director.
Yeah. So we
On,
already had the movie. Do you wish to drive? No, you're driving, right? Yeah.
yes, I'm
Okay.
driving now.
Okay.
I think now we should check uh, a path. So
Well, it should find movie with same director. This already it's doing it, right? Yeah, it's doing it.
yes, but we could check, for example, that if you read a statement, then you could see that there exist two paths, good path and bad
Ah,
path.
really? Yeah. Okay. So
In case we found
Hostia, qué sorpresa, ¿eh?
uh,
Sorpresón.
so we have to check two conditions. Good path and bad path.
mhm.
And in case of
The good path I already implemented, right?
yes, it implemented, but we have to check work of responses.
Ah, for the
So
view.
response should render template uh, in good path we should render template search director,
Okay.
and in the case of bad path we should render I can't remember.
Movie path like the homepage, you know?
Home page.
You could just write the helper. Movies path.
Uh, it should redirect to. It should.
Yeah, render, redirect, no render. Yeah.
Response should redirect to movies path.
Yeah. Response.
Movies path. Yes. In case we didn't find any similar movies, we show all the movies. And Flash.
Okay.
Notice shouldn't be blank. So we have a message that we didn't find this path. This didn't find movies with same director.
Mm.
And we have to call mm,
Okay.
I believe we could use a tricky condition.
What?
Uh, we could use uh, mm, the same scenario before each condition to, for example, populate our database. So
No, we could do simpler than that. You could just type in the
yeah,
terminal rakdb seed, for example.
no, it's a double. I thought
Ah,
we could use
you
the
mean
same
in
place.
the, okay.
Yeah.
So we create simple movie.
Non lo marchino. Qua. È molto come
And this movie hasn't director, so we won't find it.
Yeah.
And movie class should have a stop. Have a stop for find method with ID 7 and should return our fake movie.
Okay.
And
Okay.
and in case of good situation, we will create a movie with
Some director, yeah.
with director name and it will render search director template. Let's implement this.
Okay, I'm going to pass the R spec so we can see the errors and then and then fill the controller.
Yes, please.
Okay. These failures.
Yes, we see that our movie controller, not movie controller,
The
stop.
spec.
Not spec. Our movie controller works not correctly because it doesn't render our page and it doesn't redirect. So
Okay.
we go to movie controller and
Yeah.
I think we should check. Oh, first we should find
Yeah.
we find our original movie and if not movie director, yes, we should add a message
Okay.
notice. Yes,
Yes.
notice.
Yes. Notice.
Notice. Mm. Mm. No, same movies. In our homework was, have you read about the message?
In the homework, what?
In homework conditions
They have
instruction.
message that you should render. Where you can see it in Cucumber, where it puts. You should only see like this. Wait a second.
Okay.
Here and I should see. Alien has no director info.
Okay.
So you should. It has no director info, and then just write.
Yes. And add a name of the movie.
Yeah.
Title. Title of the movie. Yes. And we should redirect to wait a minute. Redirect to movies pass. Uh, hmm, how do you think? Should we use flash keep or not?
For keeping what?
For keeping notice.
I don't know. I never use.
Yes.
Don't know the meaning of keep.
Let leave it.
Can I? Should we try or?
Yes.
Okay. Three failures this time.
¿Queréis hacer las cuadras o acabamos?
Um,
No. Menos.
I think I believe we should implement stop for method
what?
find. We write movie
Okay, okay, yeah,
stop
fine.
find, and it won't return anything. It just to pass the test.
Yes. I'm trying again.
Yes.
How long have you been driving?
Oh,
I don't keep track. Maybe we should. So three.
It's your time, I believe.
Okay. Okay. So you just made test for the good path and the bad path. I'm just going to fill with this in the search director HTML. So we can do watch the test past or whatever. Okay. Director.
You have an extra space there.
Where? Ah, yeah.
Movies, same director, and in controller method, it has different name. Movies, yes.
Okay. So the find movie that find. Why is nothing? behaviors. The first one. Director.
Undefined method. Oh. That's because we call in our controller director method.
Ah, no, it's a search director, no? Like this.
Uh, uh, we could just debug our controller and to see line 16 movie.
Here.
We try. No, on line 15, I believe, because exception on 16th line. It's interesting to understand
What?
what movie has. Yes. Movie. What is params? ID. Maybe we should implement move in our spec file movie stop find with ID with ID1 and return so we will find a director of this movie, but it has no field director.
Just one moment. Unexpected message.
If you watch 23rd line, you could see that I used double with params.
Just 1 minute.
Okay.
I'm populating the database of the app with the real.
Okay.
So we could.
Maybe there wasn't any data.
Yeah. let me see.
So we have to comment our change with stop.
The command, the db seed, they didn't do it, right? Last description, what is this?
I used these commands.
Okay. I don't know what's wrong. The migration is already done, but the seeding,
If you run Rails seed
no,
test,
yeah, they are already there. Okay, I already done it. Yeah,
okay.
they are there. So I wanted
So
to do that so we could see what it's happening with the
yes,
move.
we have to comment this line, I believe, because we have a real data on the database. Yes.
No, because this is the test, and it doesn't consult the real database. It consults the environment, but I mean
Yes.
this database that, and just we are creating this double, and it's
Mm-hmm.
saving in the test database. So I'm going to.
Do you think that we should add director field to this double movie? Because later on a controller, it will try to find this movie and it will try to get director field. So I think it should be double, for example, movie director ID. So it will
I'm going to. I'm thinking we are just writing too much. It shouldn't be this hard. You know, you don't have to populate all the. I'm going to try to fix this. Okay, with something I.
okay. Let's run RSpec again and see what the error is.
Okay, well, you wish we could do. I'm Raquel. I know.
Yes.
Oh, What happened? Okay, well, just a moment, please.
Seguro que intenta hablar, pero no.
Okay, failures. I'm going to refactor here, okay? So we shouldn't do this all and every time in every it.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to just do you know this command?
Yes, construction before, yes?
Yeah, I mean, and I'm just trying to just prepare all the tests so there's no repetition.
Okay.
Well, this and I'm going to ask here to the model to find the movie.
Search director, yes?
Yeah, and no, we called it here same, but we could.
Same director, yes.
Okay, I'm just going to copy paste this just like this. I'm going to
Okay.
yeah, no, this is okay.
No.
So this should work. Well, with the end here.
Venga.
And
Ahora. Más.
What are we trying to do?
I'm just trying to go past the test and to find movie with same director. We already done this, so this is I'm going to delete all this
Why?
because we already done it here. This was search for the movie with same director.
Yes, but we should.
The good path, and we could populate here the good this that you did good path,
Okay.
and we have well,
Yes, we try to check the similar things here and here, yes.
yeah, and so we just we here we and in this path we are already good. We just do this. And the good path is already, I think with this is more than enough. Maybe we should assign, a spec for the view, to see the whole movies. Expect I know. Expect. Like this. We could just yeah. Okay.
We try to find here movie find with ID. Yes. So we have to stop this action.
Expect movies. Same director. I mean, assign.
To fake movies. Yes.
Yeah. And I'm going just to check this if it works. And I'm going to think about the, oh no, a double, there's a syntax there.
We could write before each do. And
No, I got this error here. This is not a key. This is parentheses.
yes.
No, I got it.
Espera, espera.
Another.
Ahora.
Aspect. What's happening here? I think it's mm, mm, mm. I don't know what the error is.
We could comment lines one by one to understand what's wrong.
I don't. There's a syntax error, but don't know where. Well, I'm going to comment all this in the
Could we push
back path to just to check
okay.
what I've just just done?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there is.
Could we comment let line to be sure that it's not a
Okay.
no.
No.
Maybe expect a sign. I don't know.
I'm going to. Um, I don't understand this.
Movies controller line 74. Strange. Ah, I found the mistake.
Where is it?
In file movies controller.
Yeah.
Yes, here we have if not and yes.
Is this the error?
Yes.
Oh, not. Be-
Method missing. I think it's should be from lowercase. Yes? Because methods usually is lowercase.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Oh,
Yeah, I
good result.
can't find movie with ID. Okay, so
So
here,
what
just do here. We. Oh, no.
yes, you could just copy from yes.
Well, but I think this is because we are. Uh,
Because we try to find director of movie with ID 1.
okay, so this is expect
Uh,
movie to see with
Yes, but it receive find, but it doesn't return a movie with director field.
Ah, well. Wait. I'm just going to.
Yes, line 15. Uh, it,
Yeah.
it
I
it
will
tries to find. Yes.
to just to so we could forget about.
No, no, no. Uh, During the aspect, we do not have anything in database. Uh, we should use mocks to find something in database. So we should mock to
Okay.
find with something.
Um.
Yes, movie with director and ID. Well, no, it doesn't matter.
I don't understand.
Uh, Let me drive, please.
Yes, please. I can. Can you fix?
Yes, I will try to explain what's happening here. Uh, uh, when we call get search director with ID 1, we
Yes.
could see in movie controller
Yes.
that we try to uh, find movie with ID 1
Yes.
and get its title or get uh,
Okay. So you can add
uh,
a title here, right?
Creo no. Vamos.
Maybe with this.
uh, yes, we have to add a title and a director here. Yes, but it's not all. We have here we have to add here two fields. So we go to our controller, movie controller,
Yeah.
and we
I erased the. Yeah.
forget about movie variable.
Yeah. Okay. I get it. I just erased it, but didn't erase this. Okay. I get it now. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay.
So could you run it again?
Okay. some error here, but I think it's...
Yes, I forget about
Yeah,
this sign.
okay. And we didn't use, well, doesn't matter, I think.
And to complete this task, this error, because in our controller we didn't find a movie. We have to add in our movie controller spec tab
Okay,
to method find with ID 1 and return our double. So in controller, we will find our fake movie,
yeah,
get its director, and try to find movies with similar directors.
okay. I'm going to run it again.
Yes.
No, it's not doing it well. Hmm.
Hmm.
I'm going, well,
We could debug this situation.
yeah.
Could you run, please, again?
¿Por qué me está quedando el pollo? Que lo diga.
And could you evaluate this statement to
Movie.
find, yes, movie? Not movie. Movie is after our buyback. We should paste all this statement. Oh. Hmm. Could you exit of debug? I don't know, maybe in the spec we should write double with name of the class. Could you open the spec? Movie controller spec file. Yes. Maybe here we should write the name of the class.
Where?
When we define double.
Um,
Could I comment this line?
okay.
Okay.
I run it again?
Yes. Mm.
We didn't erase the.
Please, could you run again movie find? Yeah.
Took us out from the. This is the error.
Yes. Search director.
You should put this in. I'm going to erase the Bible.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So could we continue with our cucumber file? On the home page.
And we still didn't did this.
I should see.
Back to my list.
I think I'm sure that in our search director HTML we show these lines.
Yes. If I'm sure what?
Could we copy from index HTML to search HTML structure table? Maybe it tries to search in table and something like this.
What do you mean? Can you repeat?
Uh, I try to use uh, index HTML and paste to search director HTML
Okay.
to populate. Could
This
you
also.
please? Yes, please delete it. Could you please run it again?
Then I should be on the home page. I could fix this. Maybe I could drive. You wait if you
Yes,
want.
please. Could you drive?
Then I should be in the home page. This I will open.
Oh, yes. Movies or movie?
Movies.
Movies, yes.
I don't remember. Let me see here. Routes. movies. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I should be on the home page. Okay.
Is it a sad path or good path?
The sad.
Sad. I think I know what's happened. Could you open movies controller?
Yes.
Hmm. I believe we should check in movies controller. Director is empty or
Mm,
What?
wait, just a moment, please. I'm going
okay.
to check.
Here what?
This. We should erase this. This I saw in the chat of the course that this will introduce an error
Hmm.
when trying to redirect. So I'm going to delete it.
Okay.
Then I'm going to just pass again. So maybe yes.
Okay. Very interesting.
Yeah, I had the same error and drive myself not searching what's happening and didn't know, so I had to go to the chat and some nice people helped me with this.
Okay. The last part of this task is
Yes, we
to,
just the R
to
spec is not done yet.
I think our spec was done. Uh, okay.
Because we have to implement the SAT path. I'm going to check uncheck all these.
Yes. Mm.
Okay, one failure. It should redirect to movie path, but we got this. Um,
Maybe we have to put response should redirect after the get. Yes.
After.
Yes, after the get statement. Yeah.
Oh, because we have to put this here. This
Yes, we could change
override.
from 7 to 1, I think.
Yeah, because it's overriding the
Yes,
with
because we
the.
expect to get.
Non acaba la otra.
Maybe we could also erase this. No? No, no.
No se te oye, Ney. No te funciona el micrófono bien.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
The last part of this task is to check the coverage.
Yeah, and we have to also maybe. Yeah, the coverage will tell us that we have to test
To implement,
the
yes,
model.
more tests. But I have no so much time, and could
Okay,
we
you want to check the
implement?
coverage? We could do it.
Could we cover all the tests by ourselves? Because we finished the main task, and I think it will pass the grader, and
Okay, so
to
you think
get.
you want to end the pair programming?
Yes, I think yes.
Okay, so I'm going to just stop the Hangout
Yeah,
and send you the link with the index via email.
yeah.
If you write your email in the chat, I will send it as fast as
Okay.
I can. Okay, I'm
So
going to
here
end
is my.
I'm going to end the
Broadcasting,
the
yes.
yeah.